Welcome! In today's guide, we're going to walk you through the steps to update your relationship status to married on Facebook using your PC. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile page. Next, locate the About section on your profile. Click on it to access more detailed information about yourself. From here, scroll down and find the Family and Relationships tab. This is where you can manage your relationship status. Now, next to your current relationship status, you'll see a small edit icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with various options for relationship statuses. Select Married from the list. Once you've chosen Married, don't forget to click Save to confirm your changes, and that's it. Your Facebook profile now proudly displays your marital status as married. Congratulations on updating your profile. If this guide was helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need assistance. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.